Page 8, Unit 2, Family and Friends. A. Listen and read.
This is Otto. Otto is lonely. Otto sees an animal. "Hello," says Otto. "Are you my family?" "No, I'm not. I'm a dog. You're a bird. Look, those are birds." Otto flies to the birds. These are birds. "Hello," says Otto. "Are you my family?" "We aren't your family. You're a parrot. Look, that's a parrot." Otto flies to the parrot. "Hello," says Otto. "I'm a parrot. Are you a parrot?" "Yes, I am. But I'm a gray parrot. I'm not your family." Otto is sad. Then Otto sees 2 green birds. "Those are green parrots." Otto flies to the green parrots. He's happy now.